is immaterial compared to the lesson we learn from the events that took place there. Allah's warning to Adam and Eve. Adam and Eve were admitted to paradise and there they lived the dream of all human beings. Allah permitted them to approach and enjoy everything except one tree. That might have been the tree of pain or the tree of knowledge. Allah forbade them, they were given abode in paradise. But come not near this tree or you both will be of the wrongdoers. Ch 2:35 分. Adam's weakness. Adam and Eve understood that they were forbidden to eat the fruit of that tree. Adam was however a human being and man tends to forget. His heart changes and his will weakens. Iblis summoned all the envy within him and took advantage of